G'day guys, welcome back to another video. So we are actually continuing with our trigonometric topic, but it's a bit different because we have been working with the unit circle a lot, but now we're actually going to be sort of developing those ideas further to periodic behavior, and then eventually the sine function, the cosine function, and the tan function. All right. So today I'm going to do a bit of an introduction into periodic behavior. Next video we'll deep dive a bit into the sine function, then the cosine function, and the tan function if we have time. So periodic behavior to start with. So key terms. A periodic function is one which repeats itself over a fixed period of time or over a fixed interval of the same length. Okay. The period of a function is the length of one repetition or cycle. And then f of x is a periodic function if f of x plus p equals f of x for a function with a period p. All right. So what this essentially means is once we get to f of x plus p, we'll get the same as f of x. All right. So a really common periodic function will look something like this. All right. So one period is when it cuts the x-axis. So when it's on the way, so it's cutting the x-axis on a decreasing slope here. So we go, and then the period will end on the next decreasing slope hitting that same x-axis or the principal axis, depending where you are on the Cartesian plane. So the principal axis is the axis that the function actually is sort of cycling, all right? The amplitude of our function is from either the maximum height or the minimum point to the principal axis, all right? And these are obviously maximum and minimum points, all right? So the principal axis has the equation y equals the maximum point minus the minimum point divided by 2, okay? The amplitude equals max minus the minimum divided by 2, all right? So the max and the min, you're using the y coordinates, all right? So that is just a basic, quick sort of introduction to periodic functions, all right? Please stay tuned for the next video where we sort of deep dive into sine functions. All right, we'll see you guys next time.